We're Lance and Christy. Join us as we build our dream. Welcome to Knight's Helm Farms. Well, it's been a couple days since we did anything because we've had this big storm system running through. Tropical Storm Alberto. I'm probably saying that wrong. Alberto. Albert. But it has an O at the end.
Yeah, it's silent.
Oh. Is it really?
No, I'm kidding.
Good grief. So what we are doing today is rearranging our garage a little bit because this faux wall, and I know it doesn't really look like a faux wall right now, but you'll see it in a minute, has to come down because the mini split in our studio crapped out on us, and we've had it recharged twice. Well, we had it recharged. We didn't really realize that there was anything wrong with it. They recharged it and it lasted 2 weeks. And then they came back, different company, came back, did a different test on it, found out, yes, there is a leak and it needs to be replaced because the leak is in a place where you would spend almost as much for the part as you do for a brand new unit. So we just decided to get a brand new unit with like a, what they say, 12-year warranty?
Yeah, 10 to 12 year.
So the piping from the unit that's in the middle of the building, like right there on the opposite side in the studio, comes down here to the outside. So from there down and out. And when we had the garage built, they put this fake wall up right here just so that it kind of covers, so it kind of covers the piping and everything. And so we told, just because it's like you have to move a lot of stuff, we told the new company that we would have all this moved and that wall removed for them so it would be easy access, and then we're the ones moving our stuff back and forth. So we have my car out of the garage, Lance's car still in here, and then all this stuff here was on that rack, and we're going to move that rack over here to where I'm standing, and then all the stuff on that rack is going to go on that rack over here, and then we can move this rack out of the way. Anyway.
Yep.
Crazy stuff. I think I'm going to go over there. We can prop that door open and I can put the camera there, and it won't be in our way. Alright, wall removal has commenced, and let's see, we may have determined that we don't have to take the second rack out of the way. I can see them right up there. There's a cord for the hose thingy, and I went and got a tractor with a pallet so we can load some of this stuff up and take it back to the shop instead of having it in the garage. But now it appears that we are in wall removal mode, so I'm going to go help.
Alright, so we did what we could for the company that's going to come in and put in our new mini split. We were going to take the plywood down, but they used nails with such small nail heads. When you're trying to pop it off, the nail heads are just going right through, and we'd probably be breaking the plywood in the process. So we'll see what they think about wiring and all that kind of stuff. Not much more we're going to do with that today. So we're just going to reorganize the garage so we can get the car back in and move on to another project.
We have a load of some supplies that go for the roof on the new greenhouse building, lights for the shop, gutter guard, and there's some baby gates, but we call them puppy gates, and our bucket of gutter supplies. So that's all going to go out to the shop. Over here, we have the area all cleared out for them. But say hi to Scully. We got the area all cleared out for them, so we'll let them decide on what the best course of action is. And then the rack that was there has been moved over here, and we put all this stuff back up on it and edited as we went. And so now I think there's room for my car to come back in. You just won't be able to get in the passenger side door. Put it back out, but that's no problem. And then he's out here cutting up cardboard so that we can get a box of stuff ready to go with our trash. Because we can add one box of trash or cardboard or whatever to our trash can every week. So we get a couple boxes made up, then in a couple weeks we can be done with all of that. Got all the trash taken care of. Got the garage cleaned back up. Looks good too. I don't know, we might leave that there. It's just Christmas stuff. Only has to come out once a year. You know?
Yeah. Well, if there's enough width for our cars and all, actually, if we can move that stuff out of the way, slid that over, we can get this one over there too.
Yeah. Yeah, might be nice. Anyway.
Yeah.
Anyway. You saw the wheels turning, didn't you? Anyway. Okay, so now we got to take the tractor out. Got a big box of trash up by the gate because tomorrow night that goes out to the highway, and we gotta take the tractor out to the shop and unload this, and then you're calling it a day.
Yep.
Yeah.
It's hot.
It is pretty hot.
It's hot.
Make sure there's nothing living in that.
Nothing living in that.
Is that from the wild animal park?
San Diego Zoo.
Yep.
Yep.
I wear mine a lot too, but it doesn't look like it used to. Mine's just a ball cap, but it used to be olive green, and now it's tan. This is so faded, but there's nothing wrong with it. I refuse to give it up.
Right.
All right, let's do this.
Yep.
Get in the tractor and go.
You got the keys.
They're in it. See how much stuff we lose off the pallet?
Yep.
All right. So those longboard boxes might as well go down here with them. The panels for the roofing panels for the greenhouse, well, I guess some of them are wall panels too, showed up, and that's what's in those boxes are the connector pieces. So now that's all together in here. I'm gonna close this one down. Alright, that's it. So I just got that pallet from around the corner. Around the corner. Okay. Now we can get the tractor put back in. That's it. Gotta put the tractor in.
What?
Hello.
We're not driving it back?
No, we're walking. I walked out here to get it, so.
Oh.
I should be the one complaining because I had to walk twice. You only gotta walk once. Oh. Goodness. Look at the good girlies. I put them on a tether just because it's muddy and without constant supervision. I know I would just have 2 big mud balls,
Yeah.
and then I'd have to bathe the dogs. I didn't feel like doing that today. Hey Aragorn. Hey Lucky. This looks nice. Alright. You can see I used to park way over there and there. It's gonna have to be more of a straight line now. I'll go that way a little. You're good. You're good. Funny man. The funny hat. Okay, Smarty. Smarty pants. I guess he's right. He is right. But anyway. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go in. Completely change my clothes. Sweating. Hot, hot, hot.
Yeah.
So I think we're ready for them. We're as ready as we're gonna be.
Yeah.
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 I don't know. We'll have to just see how this plays out.
Mm-hmm.
My lens fogged up because it's hot and humid out here and cool inside. But this is the old unit that's going away today. Already removed a bunch of stuff off the wall in here so they'd have a big area to work. So that is the inside unit. It says 72. I don't know. $72 on it. But when you walk over here and look at the temperature in the room, it says almost 78. So she's still working. They charged it 2 weeks ago. She's still working, but she's not working right. So we're gonna bid her adieu. Got all the cats out, everybody's fed. Nobody's happy about being outside, but it's really a nice day out here. For now. We had that storm. We had 3 inches of rain and we mowed and it was beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And then we had that storm roll through and now everything is tall again. Look at all these babies up here. Well, here we go. Look at all these babies up here waiting for snacks. You want snacks? We can give you some snacks. Aragorn! Call him back around. And now there's a hole in the wall. No air conditioner. They've removed both units. And there's just a hole there. Nice. And new outside unit getting ready to go up. And then the wall is down. Wait. All of the stuff is out. Electrical hose to the hole there. And there's the pile of trash at this point. That's what this is. Trash. And we've got Comfort Commander here taking care of business. Okay, all done. Looks like it never happened. I asked him, what did you do all day? It looks exactly like it did when you got here. And then outside, got the new unit on the new bracket that actually looks like a bracket that this thing would sit on and not a shelf bracket. We've got a surge protector now, which is something we didn't have before. All the lines, the condensation line is different, comes down closer to the ground right on that tray. I like that. Looks really good. And then the new unit in here, I just have to hang this stuff back up on the walls and we are good to go. So new Mitsubishi unit with a new remote control, of course. And then it's set at 68 currently just to cool it off in here. And we have dropped down from, I think it was 87 to 81 already. So it's working.